Hello, in today's video I will show you how to make a medicinal lotion for washing your hair, scalp, body or face skin. I made this wash with sulfur and salicylic acid, which help to deal with such problems as acne on the face, back or other part of the body, dandruff, psoriasis, oily skin, itchy skin, fungal infections. The wash cleanses the skin and hair well, but at the same time it is gentle and does not leave your skin or hair dry. In my case, this liquid noticeably reduced oily scalp and hair. My hair also started to follow less and grow faster. To make the wash, weigh about 200 grams of distilled water and add herbs to it. I used fresh sage, fresh rosemary, dried horsetail herb and dried chamomile flowers. Cover the jar and transfer it to a water bath until the herbs infuse. The water in the pot should cover the contents of the jar. After about 10 minutes, remove the jar from the water bath and leave it for another 5 minutes to obtain a stronger infusion. Then strain the hot infusion through a cotton cloth and weigh 120 grams. Add 5 grams of salicylic acid to the hot infusion. Stir the solution until the acid dissolves. Then add about 5 grams of xanthan gum. It is better to add gum gradually and observe the degree of liquid density. Here I decided to transfer the solution to a larger container to not lose everything while mixing. Weigh 5 grams of sulfur and combine it with the other ingredients. Then weigh out glycerol oleate, which is a protective, lubricating and reducing the drying effect of detergents. Add the detergent now. I'm using lauryl glucoside. Weigh 100 grams of this substance. Stir the solution until the glucoside is completely dissolved. Add the remaining part of the brew herbs to the solution and top up with distilled water to a capacity of 500 ml. This is the capacity of my packaging in which I will store the cosmetic. If the product is too liquid, you can add more xanthan gum. Add 30 drops of sage essential oil and 20 drops of chamomile essential oil. Mix the liquid and add 80 more drops of preservative. Stir everything and check the pH of the liquid. I added a few crystals of citric acid to get a pH of 5. You can use lactic acid instead, which is more gentle and also has moisturizing properties. Pour the finished wash into a clean and sanitized bottle with a 70% of alcohol. A cosmetic with a preservative can be stored up to 6 months. However, I recommend store the liquid for a maximum of 2 months. You can find a list of all used ingredients in the description box. The wash has a nice consistency, it is not thick, so the application is easy. The skin after rinsing is smooth and does not feel dry. It also works great on hair. On this strand of hair, I did not use conditioner after rinsing the wash, and the hair is soft, moisturized, not frizzy, and has a healthy shine. Let me know if you will use this recipe, or maybe use shampoos or liquids with a similar ingredients. I'm curious about your experience. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one. Bye bye!